Here's what professionals know that you don't. Most people buy steam cleaners based on price, either the cheapest or the most expensive. Both groups make the same mistake, because there's one specification that matters more than price, more than power, more than brand name, and it's hiding in plain sight. Product links are in the description, but wait. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover why the $80 machine fails, where the $200 succeeds, why tank size can work against you, and the single technology that makes number one worth every penny, even though it's not the most powerful on this list. That last part surprises everyone. Number 6, Black+Decker 7-in-1. Steam Mop. Number 6 breaks a rule most people believe. Everyone says more money equals better quality. The Black+Decker 7-in-1 with steam glove proves that's not always true. Under $80, and here's the part that matters, 20 seconds, that's how fast it heats up. While $200 machines sit there for 8 to 12 minutes, this starts cleaning before you finish reading the instructions. But that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is the steam glove. It's wearable. Your hand becomes the cleaning tool. Shower walls, vertical surfaces, cabinet doors, places where traditional mops just slide uselessly, you now control with finger-level precision. Here's the catch nobody mentions, 5.9 meter cord. You'll hate it in larger homes, constantly switching outlets, and the water tank runs dry fast. But notice what I said, larger homes. If you're in an apartment or condo under 1,000 square feet, this is your machine. Smart Select Variable Steam protects sealed hardwood on low settings, crushes ceramic tile on high. Most people buy wrong because they don't match the tool to the space. Don't make that mistake. Number 5, PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam. Mop, number 5, is where most people stop researching. They see 10-in-1 and affordable and click buy. But there's something critical happening here that determines whether this works for you or ends up collecting dust. 2.2 pounds, less than a gallon of milk. If you've ever felt exhausted halfway through mopping, that number matters more than steam temperature. 30-second heat up, detachable handheld unit, 212-degree sanitization, all the specs look perfect until you fill the tank. 12.8 ounces means 12 to 15 minutes of steam. For context, a standard kitchen takes 3 to 4 refills. The machine ticks when it's empty. You'll hear that sound a lot. But here's the part that changes everything. This excels on vinyl and laminate. Testing shows it outperforms machines twice its price on those specific surfaces. Those 10 accessories? They actually work. The question is durability. Some units fail after 2 months. Others run flawlessly for years. That's the gamble at $70 to $80. So who should buy this? Anyone prioritizing weight over power? Or anyone with vinyl floors who doesn't want to overpay? But wait, because number 4 is where things get serious. Quick pause. Comment right now, canister or upright? I'm testing a theory about what this community actually prefers. Number 4, Bissell Power Steamer Heavy-Duty. 3-in-1. Number 4 isn't just a steam cleaner. It's 3 machines, and that matters more than you'd think. Most people buy a floor steamer, then realize they need a handheld for grout, then buy another tool for outdoor furniture. $400 later, they own 3 mediocre tools. The Bissell Power Steamer transforms. Upright, extended reach, handheld, all from one base. But here's what separates buyers who love this from buyers who return it. Expectations. Over 200 degrees in 30 seconds, medical grade speed, 29 accessories. The grout brush removes years of buildup. People see those results and think, I'll clean my whole house in an hour. Wrong. The 12-ounce tank refills constantly. That's the design trade-off. Small tank keeps the handheld portion light. You're not dragging around weight while cleaning vertically. Testing by actual professionals confirms this destroys grout grime. The variable steam modes protect delicate surfaces while annihilating stubborn messes. And here's the kicker. It's rated for outdoor use. Garage floors, car interiors, BBQ grills. At $150 to $160, it's too expensive for casual users and not quite commercial grade. It lives in the middle, but that middle spot is perfect for one specific buyer. Homeowners who want versatility and understand frequent refills are the price of lightweight portability. Oh, and it has no power switch. Plugs in, starts heating immediately. Some love that, some hate it. Now, the next 2 are where serious buyers invest. And here's why. Real question. What's the one surface you can never get clean? The spot you've given up on? Drop it below. Number 3 might be your answer. Number 3, Pure Enrichment. PureClean XL. Rolling. Number 3 changes the game in one specific way. Time. Most steam cleaners make you their employee. Constant refilling. Starting, stopping, waiting. The Pure Enrichment. PureClean XL rolling does something different. 45 minutes of continuous steam. Let me translate that. You clean your entire house in one session. 1.5-liter tank. Rolling canister design, so weight stays on the floor, not in your hands. Fatigue drops to nearly zero during extended cleaning. But wait, you're thinking about that 8 to 12 minute heat up time. Here's the psychology of it. Would you rather wait 30 seconds and refill 5 times, or wait 10 minutes and clean uninterrupted for 45? The math favors the second option once you pass 1,500 square feet. 208-degree steam might look weak compared to others. Testing reveals something counterintuitive. Sustained heat matters more than peak temperature. This maintains consistent output for the full 45 minutes. Many hotter machines drop in performance after 15 minutes. 17 accessories, 16-foot cord, 5-year warranty. At 15.4 pounds, you can still move it between floors. The honest reality, small brushes can melt with heavy use. Customer service replaces them, but it's annoying. At $120 to $140, you're getting canister performance at upright pricing. This is your choice if you've got square footage to cover, multiple bathrooms, or quarterly deep clean projects. The extended runtime justifies everything else, but numbers 2 and 1, that's where professional money goes. Number 2, McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister. Number 2 does something most machines can't. It lasts. Not lasts a few years, lasts a decade. But that's not why it's ranked here. 64-ounce water tank, 120 minutes continuous steam, 2 full hours without refilling. Let that sink in. Cleaning companies use these for entire houses, 3,000 to 4,000 square feet, single fill. That's documented performance, not marketing. But here's what that really means. You're not managing a machine. You're just cleaning, 4-bar pressure, 58 psi. Those numbers translate to one thing: steam that penetrates, not just touches. Caked on grease, mold and grout, baked on oven residue. The pressure does the work. Your elbow doesn't. 23 accessories cover every surface. 18-foot cord plus 7-foot hose equals 25 feet of reach. You'll clean entire rooms from one outlet. Variable steam control prevents damage while maximizing power. Now the trade-offs: 12-minute heat up. The narrow tank opening requires the included pitcher and steady hands. At full capacity, it's heavy. But notice what I haven't mentioned: replacement units. Because here's the thing about McCulloch: 50-plus years of engineering. Users report these running strong after 5, 7, even 10 years. When you factor in not buying replacements, the $150 to $200 price becomes cheaper than buying 3 budget units over the same period. This is the choice for larger families, multi-level homes, or anyone who cleans both vehicles and living spaces. It eliminates most chemical cleaners, handles auto detailing, deep cleans carpets, sanitizes toys. But there's one machine that beats it. And the reason might surprise you. Last question before number 1. Have you ever ruined a floor with the wrong cleaner? Comment your damage story. These responses are gold. Number 1. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Number 1 breaks another assumption. You'd expect the winner to have the longest runtime, or most accessories, or biggest tank. The Dupray Neat has none of those, but it has something else. 275 degrees. That's not just hot. That's medical facility sterilization temperature. The CDC specifies 250 to 270 degrees for hospital-grade sanitization. This exceeds it. Independent laboratory testing, not marketing claims, actual lab results, confirms 99.9% elimination of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold spores. Not surface cleaning, sterilization. But temperature alone doesn't explain why this ranks number 1. Here's what does. Heat exchanger technology. Every other machine uses pressurized tanks that lock you out during cool-down periods before refilling. The Neat uses unpressurized systems. You add water during operation. No cool-down, no waiting. That feature alone transforms all-day cleaning projects. 54-ounce tank, 50-minute steam, 50 psi pressure. The compact cube design, 9 pounds, retractable handle, 4 wheels, makes this the most portable canister available. It fits in closets, slides under tables, works in small apartments without sacrificing floor space. 17 premium accessories with engineering quality, you feel immediately when handling them. 8-minute heat up. Once running, it performs like units, twice its size. And here's the confidence statement. Lifetime warranty on the boiler. Not 1 year, not 5 years, lifetime. All testing by cleaning professionals confirms this, excels at refreshing upholstery without overwetting, detail cleaning car interiors, restoring grout to original color, sanitizing surfaces without chemicals, achieving streak-free window results. Price? $200 plus, depending on packages. That's premium territory. But here's the honest analysis. This is the last steam cleaner you'll buy. Users report the same unit running flawlessly for 5+ years with zero maintenance beyond descaling. This is your choice if you value performance over price, need genuine sanitization for health reasons, or you're tired of the replacement cycle with cheaper units. The Dupray Neat doesn't compromise. It's engineered for people who demand professional results at home, and that's why it's number one. Now you know why most people buy wrong and how to buy right. Links are in the description. If this saved you from wasting money, hit like so others find this before making expensive mistakes. Got questions? Drop them below.